Hello, succulent enthusiasts. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of Hechtia mariner-lapostallei, a captivating and unique succulent species that adds a touch of exotic beauty to your succulent collection. But before we embark on this succulent journey, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of succulents. Hechtia mariner-lapostallei is an intriguing and distinctive bromelaid species native to Mexico. What sets Hechtia mariner-lapostallei apart is its striking and sculptural appearance. This bromeliad features a rosette of stiff, spiky leaves with a remarkable silver-gray powdery coating called farina that gives it a frosted or chalky appearance. The leaves are arranged in a tight spiral, creating a visually appealing and symmetrical plant form. When this bromeliad reaches maturity, it produces a tall flower spike with small, inconspicuous flowers. This succulent thrives in bright, indirect light, making it ideal for indoor spaces with ample sunlight or outdoor areas with partial sun. It prefers well-draining succulent potting mix and should be watered sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. When companion planting with Hechtia mariner-lapostallei, consider other succulent or drought-tolerant plants like agaves, eucas, or other bromeliads with similar care requirements. These selections can create a harmonious and visually striking arrangement that thrives in dry, arid conditions. Its striking appearance and unique rosette form make it an excellent choice for succulent enthusiasts and collectors. This succulent adds a touch of exotic elegance to your living space, succulent garden, or decorative arrangements, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of succulents. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your succulent collection flourish. Farewell and happy succulent growing.